Issues related to the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test Postgraduate or NEET PG exam have once again reached the Supreme Court of India for the second time this year. The Supreme Court is scheduled to hear a petition filed by 19 NEET PG aspirants tomorrow, Friday, September 13th. Let us look into this in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Soumyanti Yadav. The case was filed in the Supreme Court by NEET PG aspirants against the National Board of Examination for Medical Sciences pertaining to the newly introduced normalization process, lack of transparency, discrepancies in the results, and inflation in cutoff ranks. The primary demand of the petitioners is that NBEMS should release the response sheet or answer key for the concerned examination, allowing students to verify their answers and assess their performance accurately. Aspirants have also highlighted that the two-shift exam pattern and normalization process was introduced by the exam authorities at the last minute, causing difficulties for the students who had been preparing for the national level exam for over a year. It might be recalled that the NEET PG exam has witnessed not one or two, but many hurdles along the way this year. Initially, it was announced that the exam would be conducted on March 3rd, 2024, and in January 2024, the NEET PG exam was rescheduled to July 7th. Again, in March, the date of the exam was advanced to June 23rd. In the light of NEET UG paper leak controversy, the exam was postponed again. This happened one day before the exam. Later, the official date for NEET PG was set to be August 11th, and it was added that the exam would be conducted in 2 sessions. However, after the release of admit cards, another setback surfaced for the NEET PG candidates. Many highlighted that the exam city allocation wasn't based on the 4 references that they had listed. Moreover, for most, it was allocated in faraway cities. A petition in this regard was even filed in the Supreme Court. However, the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, who was hearing the case, refused to postpone the exam. Now again, the candidates of NEET PG have approached the Supreme Court with issues of non-transparency in the exam process. Lack of transparency especially becomes an issue at a time when most national level exams have been marred with irregularities and malpractice this year, hampering the trust in education sector. What do you think the Supreme Court's decision will be this time? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. We will be back tomorrow with another video. Till then, stay safe.